Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. I have two chefs in training. I'd like to introduce you to Isabella and Kaylee. Today they'll be teaching you how to make Caesar salad dressing from scratch. Ladies, tell us what we need.
Olive oil, red wine vinegar, Tabasco sauce, Worcestershire, Dijon mustard, eggs, garlic, lemons, and cheese.
Anchovy paste is optional in this recipe. We don't have any today, but we're going to go with it anyways. Isabella will be using a kitchen tool, Vitamix or blender. Kaylee will be using a glass bowl and a whisk. These girls are ready to add great ingredients. And while they do, I'll let you know a few reasons why not to buy bottled salad dressings. They have eggs already in their bowls. Go ahead and add your first ingredient, the Dijon mustard. First of all, bottled salad dressings contain unhealthy oils, typically canola oil and or soybean oil at the top of the list, both highly genetically modified. We really want to stay away from that. Next, we will add our Worcestershire to our dressing. Good job, ladies. And next, our red wine vinegar. Great job. Go ahead and add your garlic next, ladies. The number 2 reason why not to buy bottled salad dressings would definitely be because of the unhealthy salt. We always use pink Himalayan salt, and in this recipe, we don't even use salt because we're adding cheese and the option of anchovy paste. Okay, ladies, where are we? Lemons? Go ahead and give those a squeeze into our dressing. Beautiful. And then we can add our cheese. Last but not least, most bottled salad dressings are full of sugar. Unhealthy, refined sugar. It is not fat that makes you fat. Sugar makes you fat. Keep that in mind. Cheese in?
Cheese in.
Great job, ladies. The last 2 ingredients are olive oil and Tabasco. Tabasco's already in our olive oil. We're going to add this to our dressing. Emulsification is key here. So you can emulsify with a whisk or a blender. So Kaylee's going to go first, and she's going to put her olive oil and Tabasco to finalize her dressing. Your second option, of course, is always to use a Vitamix or a blender. Isabella has a great tip to use a funnel at the top of the blender or Vitamix to help the emulsification process. You ready, sweetie?
Yes, ma'am.
So as you can see, our salad is almost complete. We have romaine topped with a little bit of pecorino romano. Our dressing is ready. Kaylee, what will you be adding?
I'm going to add some omega-3 by adding my flaxseed.
Awesome. And Isabella?
I will be adding some pecans, which is adding some healthy fat.
Awesome. It's a great substitution instead of croutons. Avoid the wheat. And we're going to add a healthy protein, dress our salad, and just like that, dinner's ready.
Bon appetit.